Loitering munitions are transforming modern warfare, allowing precise strikes without risking a human pilot. Today, we're comparing two notable systems, Iran's Shahed-136 and Israel's IAI Harop. The Shahed-136 is launched from truck-mounted rails and is built for long-range, large-scale strike missions. Meanwhile, the Harop launches from sealed canisters and can loiter over the battlefield before diving onto its target. Both drones have shown their impact in modern conflicts. In the next part of the video, we'll compare their specifications and capabilities to see which one comes out on top.